Hello guys, in this video guide, I will discuss about problems with DLC on PS5 and as well as PS4. Players have a problem of deleting the DLCs in order to get the new update, but after going to re-download the DLC from store, they were not able to access anymore. But before going to the fixes, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to get the latest notifications. There are plenty of users who have reported about DLC issue after the next-gen update. Even many players have reported that the game has become worse after the next-gen update. However, one of the user has suggested a solution that worked for the players facing DLC issue on PS5. Simply go to Library, then go to Games and select Fallout 4. Now go down to Add-ons part and there you can view all add-ons. At the top, it says your add-ons and will show that you own. This is a successful solution suggested. We further hope the developers will work into it and will get rid of this kind of error soon. If you have any solutions, then do mention them in the comment.